SMART is a robot competition using LEGO Mindstorms that is a robot kit. SMART stands for Smart Mobile and Autonomous Robot Tournament. The first competition was held in Japan in 2000 with the participation of university students and technical college students. Since 2017, we have also held a SMART-U15 division tournament in which high school students participate. Each team combines a limited number of parts to create a robot based on competition rules. That's why, creative ideas and the technical ability to realize them are the keys to winning and losing. It is also important to create a program because the robot that has started to move is required to have autonomy to achieve the task. In 2019, we held the first SMART-U15 competition for junior high school students. With LEGO Mindstorms, you can instantly shape your ideas and build robots over and over again. Of course you too. It takes a long time to make a robot. Even if you do well in practice, you don't know what will happen on the day of the competition.